India's 3D printed post office in Bengaluru's Cambridge layout was inaugurated by Ashwani Vaishnav. The project, undertaken by Larsen & Toubro in collaboration with IIT Madras, covered 1,021 square feet and used advanced 3D concrete painting. Robotic printers automated the process, layering concrete according to the approved design. A specially formulated quick hardening concrete ensured strong bonding between layers. The project cost 23 lakh rupees, a 30-40% cost reduction compared to traditional methods. The project showcased concrete 3D printing technology using indigenous machinery and robots, showcasing its scalability. It accommodated curved surfaces and different side dimensions, overcoming flat wall limitations. Continuous reinforced concrete footing and 3-layer walls were created, enhancing structural integrity. The innovative technique drastically reduced the construction timeline to 43 days, minimizing material wastage. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has applications in various industries, including manufacturing, aerospace, healthcare, and fashion. "3D printing involves creating a 3D model using CAD software, dividing it into thin horizontal layers using slicing software, and then printing the model by depositing material layer by layer to build the object, following the instructions from the sliced file." Thanks for watching.